The San Diego coastline is famous for its beauty, but beneath these jagged edges lies a history much darker and more secretive than the postcards suggest. Today, we are exploring one of the legendary Rum Runner's tunnels of Sunset Cliffs, a hidden relic from a time when these shores were the front lines of the Pacific's underground trade. During Prohibition in the 1920s, the geography here was a smuggler's dream. Large ships would sit miles offshore in international waters, waiting for small, fast boats to zip through surf under the cover of darkness. They weren't looking for docks or piers. They were looking for the cracks in the earth, just like this one. After stepping in the cave and being in for a while, the air changes. You can feel the weight of the history here. While many of these tunnels have been lost to erosion or sealed off by the city for safety, a few remain. It's a subterranean world carved by both man and the relentless power of the tide. Imagine the tension of waiting here in total darkness, listening for the sound of the boat engine over the crashing waves.
I will warn, there's a lot of bugs and a lot of spiders in here. So if you don't like spiders or that type of stuff, stay far away from this tunnel.
I'm not going to give you the GPS coordinates for the spot. Part of the magic of the cliffs is the spirit of discovery. To find a place like this, you have to watch the tides, study the rock, and put in the legwork. It's a reminder that even in a world that feels fully mapped out, there are still pockets of mystery waiting for those willing to look. The Rum Runners are long gone, and the sea is slowly reclaiming these tunnels, grain by grain. But for now, the secret remains hidden in the shadows of the cliffs. While the allure of history is strong, the reality of these sea caves is unforgiving. If you do manage to find your way down here, caution isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. The ground is a treacherous mix of jagged rock and slime-slicked surfaces that can send you down in an instant. Even more dangerous are the deep tidal holes and hidden crevices carved out by centuries of crashing waves. This entire journey is a race against the clock, as this path only reveals itself at low tide. Before you reach the weathered steps on the far side of the tunnel, the receding water leaves behind a final obstacle, a thick, tangled mat of seaweed nearly half a foot deep. It's a messy, heavy trek that requires you to be willing to get a little dirty. Every step is a literal squelch into the briny remains of the tide, and the slick surface hidden beneath the kelp makes every move a calculated risk.
So I've taken you guys to the Rum Runner's tunnel / cave at Sunset Cliffs. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like because it was one place I have not been that I wanted to check out. They literally blocked in this entire entrance where the Rum Runners used to come in from the beach or the shore, ocean out there, so they would bring their boats. They'd come in through here before this was packed with stuff. Literally come right over there through that nice little windy entrance and up there as well. And they would just shimmy up whatever cargo they had, offload it or store it in a building until they could use it, or sell it, or move it. Down there, you can see the water.
If you ever find yourself wandering this coastline at low tide, keep your eyes open. You never know what the cliffs might be hiding.